WhatsApp on Friday informed the Delhi High Court that it has decided to temporarily put its privacy policy on hold till the data protection bill comes into force. Government has asked to shut down the policy. We have said we will not enforce it till data protection bill comes out. That is open-ended because we don't know when the bill is going to come out. We have said we will not do this for a while. Suppose the bill allows me to do it, we will have completely different ramifications. Senior advocate Harish Salve made the submissions on behalf of WhatsApp. A report in the bar and bench further quoted Salve as saying that the Union Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has communicated to the instant messaging platform that its privacy policy is against the information technology, reasonable security practices and procedures and sensitive personal data or information rules 2011. The center had earlier told the court that it has written to Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg on the issue and a reply is awaited, and therefore there was a need to maintain status quo with regards to implementation of policy. Two cases of the Kappa strain of COVID-19 have been discovered in Uttar Pradesh after two patients were identified with having the Delta Plus strain in Devriya and Gorakhpur. Amid increasing cases of Delta Plus variant in India, other variants have become a topic of concern after India's recent encounter with a deadly second wave. Aside from the Delta Plus variation, four new varieties have gained the attention of health experts. B16173, a relative of the Delta variant, B11318, which contains 14 mutations, Lambda, a variant discovered by Public Health England and classed as a variant of interest by the World Health Organization, and Kappa or B16171 are among the variants that are being found in India currently. The Bombay High Court on Friday ordered the Civil Aviation Ministry to finalise its policy on naming of airports. There is a fresh cabinet reshuffle now. Let this be the first thing to be done by the new aviation minister. The draft policy of 2017 should not be at draft stage, the bench said. Jyotiraditya Scindia has been appointed as the new civil aviation minister, while his predecessor, Hardeep Puri, will now head Urban Development and Petroleum Ministry. Scindia took charge on Friday after PM Modi's Council of Ministers went through a major overhaul with 36 new appointments and 7 promotions. According to reports in 2017, the government was considering a proposal to rename existing airports as well as future greenfield airports after cities and not personalities. The reason cited for the move was the perceived inconvenience caused to passengers and foreign tourists who may not be familiar with Indian personalities. The Delhi High Court on Friday backed the need for a uniform civil code in the country, observing that there is a need for a code that is common to all in the country, and asked the central government to take the necessary steps in this matter. Responding to a plea involving the applicability of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 in respect of parties belonging to the Meena community, Justice Pratibha M. Singh said that the modern Indian society is gradually turning homogeneous and dissipating traditional barriers of religion, community, caste, and in view of these changing paradigms, a uniform civil code is in order. A uniform civil code essentially provides for one law for the entire country, applicable to all religious communities in their personal matters such as marriage, divorce, inheritance, adoption, etc. Currently, different laws regulate these aspects of adherents of different religions. For example, Hindu Marriage Act, Hindu Succession Act, Indian Christian Marriage Act, Parsi Marriage Act, and Divorce Act. However, Muslim personal laws are not codified and are based on their religious texts. The Uttar Pradesh police on Friday accused Twitter India's managing director Manish Maheshwari of playing hide and seek and said that he should appear before the police to answer questions. Arguing before the Karnataka High Court that was hearing Manish Maheshwari's plea challenging the police summons notice, UP Police Council said Manish Maheshwari is the head of Twitter India's branch and should appear before us. To this, Maheshwari's counsel informed the court that since June 18th, he has been saying that he is just an employee of Twitter and not the MD. Responding to this, the UP police said that Manish Maheshwari should then appear before them and state that he is not Twitter India's MD. After hearing the two sides, the High Court adjourned the matter till July 13th when it will pronounce its order.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, Search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.